Here's a way that we help affiliate networks make money on traffic they cannot monetize. So a lot of times there's offers that don't accept certain types of traffic. So for example, it might be geo-targeted where they only accept US traffic. So any clicks coming outside the US, they can't monetize that traffic with the offer. So when someone clicks, it can go to a dead page, or what we do is we give them a redirect page. And what that redirect page is, it has relevant keywords that they can click on to be able to monetize that traffic in whatever country that's coming from. Another way they do it is, let's say they have an advertiser has a budget of $50,000 and within 15 days they cap out and hit that $50,000 in budget. Well, they still have traffic coming to that advertiser's offer. So they can either turn it off or they can redirect the traffic where we send them to a page that says, hey, this offer is no longer available for you. So say you have an advertiser that has $50,000 in budget, okay? And in 15 days, you hit the $50,000 in budget. Well, let's say that you're getting 1,000 clicks a day. You have 15 days left in the month. You don't want to turn that traffic off. So what you do is you take that 1,000 clicks a day and you redirect that to a page that says, hey, this offer is no longer available. You may be interested in other related topics. And then what we do is we show an ad widget with all different kinds of offers that users can click on to monetize that traffic. So we're making money off of traffic that is existing that you can't monetize with your origination offer. So we call that the ClickX redirect. If you're interested in making money on any kind of way that you can't monetize, hit us up. We'll be able to create a redirect monetization tool for you.